Here, let me fix this. Alright guys, this is Hope. This is Mitchell, Archer, and very fashionable Isabel. And we're going to the beach today. Who's excited?
And he has not plugged Archer and Mitchell in.
But yeah, we're gonna go have some fun because it's nice and warm today.
What are you doing?
Whizzle whizzle, this is Hip Fizzle.
Yeah, this is all. No, my name is Isabel.
Their nickname's Fizzy.
Okay.
Whizzle whizzle, this is still Fizzle.
But I know how to go in beach. It's so exciting. And I don't know. And I don't know about. Do you want to see Mitchell?
Okay.
Then.
Wave.
There you
Say
go.
hello.
Bye-bye.
Alright, let's get going.
He's a little. Mitchell's a little cranky today.
He just woke up.
Say hello, Dad.
Hello everybody.
There's a cop that came past and Dad was like acting normal. He was freaking out.
Yeah, I said don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
That's my favorite one of my songs.
Well, if you be suspicious, you get arrested.
Yeah. Wait, what?
Yeah, they're having fun, aren't they?
I think he's just making up all.
I'll take you out in my boat soon. We just need to
laws.
get you a wetsuit.
Making up the laws. Look at that. Look how many people are over there. No, seriously.
Yeah, there's people everywhere, man.
There's a lot of people here today. Oh my goodness.
All right, we made it. I just had to change a dirty diaper, which I'm not very happy about. Got 4 kids. That was my 3rd diaper. And it was gross, wasn't it, Fizz?
Oh yeah, so cause Hope's Mitchell.
Yeah. There's lots of people today, but we've come down to a quieter side. Hey, come on, leave the shovel. Let's go to the water. Yeah, that's cool. Come on, Fizz. Seaweed's a bit yucky there. Excited, Arch?
Yeah.
Yo-yo.
Oh, it's coming in.
Come on. It's beautiful. Come here. Come on. Come on, Isabel. Just see how high, it's fine.
We'll just stand here.
Put in now. Good boy, Miguel. Isabel, come on, babe.
It's okay. We'll just stand.
Oh, you having fun? Look out, Daddy. You're looking at me scared. Chicken. Woo-hoo. You're cool, mate. Look, it's only up to your ankles.
Oh no! Yeah,
Don't be mean, Hope.
yeah. What?
Good boy. There he goes. It's alright here, honey, it's safe. The tide's not really moving, there's no rips. Woo woo! Hi, you stay around here too, just make it easy for me. It's a nice spot here, isn't it? Where's your muscles? Yeah. Mitchell. Okay, what? He's fine. He's fine there, honey. You having fun? You having fun, mister? Ah, big splashes. Careful. Hey.
Hey, Dad, he's trying to, can you please not jump on that? He's trying to make it a big one, please.
Hey, Archer.
Thank you.
You can't jump on it. Ah, Mitchell, come on. Come over here, Hope. Come on. Come here, you got a big boogie. Come here, come here. Let me get the boogie. Yucky. Oh no! Just over the other side of the beach, over there, is a boat ramp. So you can come in off the beach. You see the jet skis, there's a few parked there. Actually, yeah, look, one boat just came in now. And then you can go out there because it's a pretty good spot here. So next time I go fishing, this is where I'm coming. Oh no, what are you doing? Help me! Ah!
Dad, help me.
No, that's your job. What happened?
It's back.
You're stuck. Uh-oh. What happened to you, Michael?
There's his hand.
Your hand's gone.
There's his hand.
Ah, you found it. All right, see if you can get out, Archer.
Hi, not yet. Hi, no.
Uh-oh.
Nicole, you can get out. We're going to finish burying Archer. Yeah, head. That's sand on the head. Can I try to... Oh, wait.
Come on, I want to see you try to escape. Can you get out?
I have to bury Mitchell's hand first.
Let's go. Let's see if you can get up, Archer.
Yeah.
Can you get up? Go on, you got to use all your strength.
Use your muscles.
Can you get up? Whoa, like the Hulk. Isabel, hey, no, that's mean. You'll hurt him.
Mitchell, escape.
Nice one. So if anyone's wondering, this is actually the beach in Torquay, the one with the boat ramp. It's a perfect spot for young kids. And as you can see, Lots of people come down on a summer's day. Ladies and gentlemen, we made it. First day without Mum at the beach. What did you think? Was it fun, guys?
Yes.
Woo woo!
Now we're going to get ice cream.
Ice cream on the way home.
I'm getting it.
You scream ice cream, we all scream ice cream. Okay, you let me down there. When I do that, you all have to say ice cream with me. Ready? You scream ice cream, we all scream ice cream. Okay, yeah, we'll work on that. We'll work on that. Goodbye, everybody. Toodles.